What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. So today I have a very interesting video that I want to show you guys. A final upgrade to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This one is a Desert Titanium 512 gigabytes of storage, and I'm just gonna show you guys what's inside the package. But I did do the unboxing video already when I purchased it. Now I go into Kingston, it was a hectic day, and I just unboxed it in the store. But today I'm just gonna go further ahead and give you guys some more unique look of this device right here. I'm going to also compare it against the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which I was been using for quite some time now on the channel. As you guys can see some of the video from the iPhone 13 Pro Max and also some video of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I decided to get the upgrade mainly because of the USB Type-C port right here and other features like Apple Intelligence, the camera, and also the dedicated camera button right here, which some say that it might be a little gimmicky, but I'm just going to try it out for myself, show you guys also of this right here. Also inside the package we have the braided cable right here. So this is USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. I think that what Apple does is that they stopped giving the power brick inside the packaging. I'm not sure which model they have stopped giving it. I like the design of this cable though, this braided design. It's kind of similar to the one that come with the MacBook, which is very neat. And just that inside packaging, not really much that going on right here. Now by looking at this picture, can you tell me and guess which one is the iPhone 13 Pro Max? Is it A or is it B? Drop your comments in the comment section, see if you guys can take a guess. Alright, so hope you got that right. Now this one right here is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and this one right here is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now I'm going to look at some of the features of this right here. So you can see that this one right here doesn't have the notch on the top right here. This one is a bit different. Now I think they have changed in like from the 14 Pro Max Plus goes up 15 and those one of this one right here. The 13 doesn't really have it. Now to the side, both of the lock button right here. You can see that where they have implemented that button right here dedicated for the camera button. This one doesn't have it, but there's a dummy button right here. So it seems like Apple were thinking all along that they were going to be added this dedicated button right here, because you can see that this section right here does blank. And to the back right here, the camera on the 16 Pro Max a little bit bigger, and it basically look higher as well. So when you put your face down, you can see that they have more play. This one doesn't have so much play on it like that, so it's a bit bigger. Now in terms of the size, why stack up against each other, 16 Pro Max slightly bigger. What they have changed is the button right here. Now on the 13 you can just switch it like this, and on the 15, as you can see, there's a dedicated button. Now this button you can choose in the menu, like to change things like your flashlight. You can turn on your silent, depending on the mood that you set it to inside the settings right here. And one of the features that I want to look at right here is the changing of the lightning cable right here to the USB Type-C. Know that most devices right now that they are making in terms of like mic and other accessories are now making USB Type-C. Now I have recently got a Godox microphone which cannot work on this right here, which I'm going to do a video of as well. I have got several mic from Godox that doesn't support lightning. It also support USB-C, which work mainly across those devices with lightning port. The fact that Apple have really come into this ecosystem of USB Type-C, it's really a game changer, because I can get to use most of those other accessories which work well onto this device right here. You can see that the iPhone 16 is a bit lighter because of the titanium build which they have included into this right here. Now this one is running iOS 18.1, this one is running iOS 17, so you can see that most things is a bit different. I have decided not to upgrade to the iOS 18 on this device right here. You can see that the menu right here is a bit different in terms of the iOS 18, iOS 17, which you can just toggle through right here. You can see things like music, things like your hotspot setting and those things right here. This one feel a bit more smoother than the iOS 17. I'm not sure if it's iOS or it's the performance of the phone itself, but this one feel a bit smoother when toggling through the menus, which just my opinion of how it feel right here. Now, because I am a content creator, I am excited to test out the camera on this device right here. I'm going to see if there's a massive improvement in terms of the camera quality and to both devices. Alright guys, so I'm outside right now and I want to test the camera quality on both of these phones right here. So I'm going to put them up on screen and you guys can tell me if you guys can actually see the difference of these camera right here. One of the things I love about this one right here is just that you can just click this button right here at the top and it will automatically launch the camera up, as you can see right there, which is really cool if you're a content creator. You just want to just fine tune it into your settings. So I'm gonna go into video mode right now. You can see that we can use this button up at top right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. You can just press it like so to zoom in and zoom out on the top right there, which is a good looking feature. I'm going to test the digital zoom on both of these devices right here. You guys see the quality and how it actually looks. Hit on record. I'm going to zoom in right now. You guys can see the pole right there, and this is 9 times digital. It crops in. And you guys can compare the quality. Let me guys know. Let me know how quality actually looks. I'm going to now test it on with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm going to crop scene. And the crop scene up to 15 times right there. As you can see, let me know which one quality looks better. Guys, when I was testing the camera quality with the video on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, it zoomed up to 15 times. And the iPhone 13, it zooms up to 9 times. But it gets more interesting when it comes to photo because it actually zooms up to 25 times. With the iPhone 13 Pro Max, it can actually zooms up to 15 times. This camera right here is capable of recording 4K 120 FPS, which I'm going to test right now. Let you guys see the quality of this right here at 4K 120, which is just a great improvement in terms of in the smartphone right here that you can be able to record 4K 120. So guys gonna see right now. This is just my unboxing comparison of the iPhone 13 Pro Max versus the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So you guys can see difference, a lot of difference in terms of the physical features, in terms of how the camera actually use and operate. There's not much, so if you have it like in your case and walking, people might not know the difference. I think that similar goes for the 15, the 14 model, especially in the Pro series. So in terms of the function, like the button on the top right here, other features like the button on this switch and so forth, the USB port, different upgrade. So if you're a content creator and want that 4K 120, it's a great little feature on the camera as well, which they have improved in terms of the camera quality. I can basically zoom further. If you're coming from the 13, I recommend that definitely you can upgrade. Or if you have like a later model like 15, probably the iPhone 14, you might not want to upgrade as yet if you don't want to use most of those features. But if you're a content creator and you want the latest camera quality on those, I definitely can recommend go for the 16. So this is just my little review of this right here. So if you guys want to see more video and update of this, let me know in the comment section of some videos that you guys might want to see later on in the future. And if you guys find this helpful, remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, peace. I'm out.